Essay on National Unity Day, a tribute to Sardar Patel. The strength of any country depends on the unity of that country. The greatest beauty of India is that all citizens of different religions live here together. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played an important role in uniting India. Hence, National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The celebration of National Unity Day was started in 2014 by the Government of India in Delhi, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The first National Unity Day witnessed a grand celebration. On this day, a marathon is organized in various parts of the country by local political parties to memorize Sardar Patel, and a lot of people participate in the marathons, and it shows the unity of the country. Various police officers and NCC staff do a march past on this day. Sardar Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India who was instrumental in integrating small kingdoms into the Union of India. Before independence, he was a known social activist and freedom fighter associated with the Indian National Congress. He spearheaded the Satyagraha in Gujarat and also was active in the non-cooperation movement and Quit India movement. Though Sardar Patel was a renowned freedom fighter, his role as an administrator during and after the independence of India is more significant. When the British left India, there were nearly 565 independent princely states. Those got free. Sardar Patel, who also held the portfolio of Home Minister at that time, persuaded these states to accede to the Union of India. A 182 meters long statue of Sardar Patel was inaugurated in Gujarat by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st of October 2018. It is located 150 km from Surat and faces Sardar Sarovar Dam. Thousands from various parts of India visit the statue and the museum on National Unity Day to pay their respect to Sardar Patel. National Unity Day is a day to remember the man behind the politically united map of India and to commemorate his birthday. National Unity Day is a befitting tribute to the Iron Man of India and his resolve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.